my friends, it is 2 days before Christmas and I've got to do something about this fridge. But first, if this is your first time watching me, hello, welcome to my channel. My name's Gia. I'm a working mom who posts all types of videos, and I would love for you to join my YouTube family by clicking the subscribe button down below. And for those already subscribed, welcome back. All right, this is the current state of my fridge, and it's just, things are just all over the place, and I've got to just clean it out. I need to see what needs to be thrown out. I need to make room for our holiday food that we're going to be having, and so I just need to clear it out. So the first thing I'm going to do is take everything out. I mean, everything is going to come out, and I'm going to try to organize it as I'm taking it out. I do have some Dollar Tree containers that I'm hoping to use in here, but we'll see. From me, you know, cleaning up other areas of the kitchen, I found these extra containers. So all right, let me get started. All right, so I just took everything out of this part of the door. I'm just gonna work it section by section instead of making myself feel overwhelmed. And this is the good stuff. This is the stuff that's expired. So now I'm gonna wipe these down. I think do these come out? I don't think they come out on this side, so I'll just have to wipe them down, clean them out, and then we'll move on to this door. Okay, everything's out of this side. And I took the stuff out of, oh, this comes out perfect. Okay, this is, I'm gonna leave this stuff in here for now because I know that this stuff is good. We use it like every day. It's better if it stays in the fridge. So I'm going to clean this side, and then we'll move on to the first shelf. All right, so I decided to take everything out so I can clean these drawers here. Let's see, let's do it this way. Inside here, so that's all clean, but I'm gonna go ahead and put the dairy back because I don't want it to be out too long. And now I'm just gonna focus on this top level, and I'll show you what I don't like about this fridge is you only have, and it'll be easier for me to explain once I have everything out, but you only have this much space for something that's tall. And you know, I'm a Costco shopper. Usually the stuff that I get is tall, so I'm thinking about reconfiguring the side, like the height of these two. I don't know what I'm gonna do, but let's just focus one step at a time. So we're gonna focus up here. Got the first level all out. Hubby's helping me he's helping me with the process and helping me take the shelves out. So now I'm gonna clean it again. I don't know if you could reconfigure. Oh, you can. This right here, you can. All right, so let's clean these and then we'll move on to the second level. All right, we're getting there, my friends. Look at how much we're throwing away. It makes me like feel so wasteful and really start strategically trying to use the stuff in my fridge. And once I organize it into a system that will work for us, I think I'll get better at that. But I hate throwing away food. It really bums me out, but this stuff is expired. Here's all of our good stuff, and so we've gotten most of the drawers done. We do have to lift this one up and throw it out. Or excuse me, lift this one up and wash it, and then through the drawers, and we're getting there. All right, so hubby took all the drawers out, and he is like cleaning the whole inside of the fridge. It almost looks brand new. It's beautiful. So now I'm gonna look through all these drawers, clean the drawers, then we'll be able to do the fun part, which is putting all the good stuff back and assemble it so that it's useful for all of us. All right, so everything has been cleaned. We literally took every piece out. We didn't even realize that this bottom piece can come out. The bottom piece that has the drawers can come out. So now we're gonna try to put all the pieces back in and configure it to the way that hopefully it'll be more useful for us. All right, so with this top part here, it pulls out to about like this. So I think it would make sense to put like shorter stuff here that we can access by pulling it out, like condiments or whatever. And the first shelf at the bottom, we're gonna put that in and see how that looks. Okay, I gotta give hubby the praise on this one. So he figured out to lower this level so that we have more room for like taller stuff, because the problem was when it was at this level we had no room for like a gallon of anything, and the only place we could fit tall stuff was on the drawer, and that on the door, excuse me, and that was getting to be just too much. Like it wouldn't all fit. So let's try to put the stuff in and see how it goes from there. We were making progress and totally forgot to do this drawer. So that's what I'm doing now. I'm just pulling all this stuff out. I'm gonna wipe this down, and then this is really what the kids use for snacks and stuff like that, but I'm just gonna clean it out and wipe it down and make sure, you know, it's organized so they can find their snacks easier. Here's a little tip. We are gonna use my little handy dandy hand vac to vacuum all this up, and then we'll wipe it out. Whew, y'all, this took so much longer than I thought, but we are finally done. I cannot wait to show you. Are you ready? Ta-da! It's beautiful! It's beautiful. All right, so let's start over here. We just have our condiments, our most used condiments here, salad dressings, you know, barbecue sauce, ketchup, mustard. We use one of these two almost every day for the kids. And then up here is just an extra margarita, limerita, you know, when we have those kinds of days, and then some more salad dressing. Then over here, I told you my husband had this genius idea, and it worked perfectly, because back there in the back, I have some extra orange juice or extra milk. I have so much heavy whipping cream and half because it's right before the holidays and I'm making mac and cheese and stuff like that. And so I need that kind of stuff for that, and especially for my baking. We have our extra, coffee creamer, even though we don't really use it, but we're having company come in for Christmas, so we have extra of that. In the back here, it's just strawberry jelly and grape jelly together. I'll know when it's, you know, I can just pull this basket out. These baskets I got from the Dollar Tree. I don't know why I went through this phase where I wanted everything green. I probably will switch them out to the white one soon, but for right now, it's fine. I have my extra Parmesan cheese back there, and then just like any kind of spread or whatever, tartar sauce I put back there. This we're gonna be using for Christmas, which is why it's in there. Then we have our bottled water, some extra soda, and then this is so tall it just doesn't fit anywhere, so I just put it right there. And then over here we have our eggs, some more mayonnaise, some stuff that I don't use often, like these sun-dried tomatoes and stuff, and olives. Right here we have a cookie basket. We don't usually eat cookies like that, but again, it's right before Christmas. We'll be making cookies for Santa soon, so I just used this basket. Again, these came from Dollar Tree. This is just what I had in my home. I will eventually probably change them to white. I just want to see if I'm actually going to use them. This is where I have all my extra butter. You guys know I eat ketogenically, so you know, Kerrygold is everything. If you're interested in learning more about that, you can tap this eye right here. In that video, I explain how I lost 18 pounds over the summer in 3 weeks, and it's all by eating a ketogenic diet. So I have some vegan butter too. So I have all my extra butters in there. In this drawer, we have all of our cheeses. Again, I have so much cheese because we're getting ready to make, you know, all these different dishes for Christmas. We have meats in here, sausage, like breakfast meats and hot dogs and bacon and stuff. In here, I have my fruits and veggies, my fresh fruits and veggies, onions, garlic, apples, all that kind of stuff. We're not using these right now because we just don't need to, which is great. And then this is the kids drawer. Again, all of these baskets came from the Dollar Tree. I have their apple sauces in here and the extra apple sauces in the back, and I'll just refill the basket when they use them. Some Swiss cheese as a snack. They love these, mandarin oranges, some cheese sticks, yogurt. And again, it'll be easier for me to grab this stuff when I make their lunches and stuff, since I will be making 2 lunches starting in 2018. And if you guys want to see more videos on the kids lunches and stuff, leave a comment down below and let me know. And in here I have our prime rib for Christmas. I just put it in here because it's got to stay in the fridge. It's not going to stay in the fridge because I'll be cooking it you know, in 2 days. So that's it. It's beautiful. Oh, on this side I just have my almond milk, orange juice, apple juice, lemonade. We use this stuff quite often. And then we just have some more condiments up here, like my garlic paste. I use that pretty often. Lime juice, taco sauce, other condiments and stuff. And so that's what it looks like this. So I'm really happy, guys. Hopefully it motivated you to clean something out. We'll see if this system is working. This configuration is gonna work for us. Already, it's just, I feel like I have a brand new refrigerator, especially with us being able to fit all the taller stuff in there now. And I'm just really happy, because before I was having to lay it down and then stuff would get behind it and I just wouldn't know. So I'm really, really happy. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't hit that subscribe button yet, you can tap my picture on the screen, and you can also check out my previous video right next to it, and all of my social media platforms all listed down below. Thanks again for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.
Me and Mommy are making presents for the kids.
That's right.
So they can be happy.
Very good, baby.